Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your fast charging not working on Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin! So your issues are probably coming from not the software but hardware itself. This is due because the actual software is unchangeable. If we go to the settings and then head into the battery, you will notice that we have no way of actually enabling or disabling fast charging, and this means that it's just enabled by default. As you can see, we have the current mode, but this is only for the battery saving. We have the battery checkup, but we'll get into it later, and we have some battery protection, and finally additional features, but unfortunately none of this is even related to the fast charging. So how can you fix your fast charging not working? Well, first of all, your fast charging could be working, it's not as marked as fast charging, it's just normal charging nowadays. Alternatively, you could clean the charging port with non-metallic tool, a thing like soft toothbrush, and at best wooden toothpick is probably the best recommendation here. And that's literally it. Once again, you could go into the battery checkup here, and they should basically say if something is wrong with your battery or not. But as you can see, this is only for optimizing and it won't really do that much, unfortunately. So yeah, that's all for this video. Once again, if you have troubles with your battery and you think that something is wrong, you can always go into some sort of Redmi store or like phone workshop and ask them to have your battery checked. And if something will be wrong and you still have your warranty, you can always try to return your tablet. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.